friends, welcome back to Lemons and Larkspur. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Patty and I garden here in Zone 9B in Southern California. Today I wanted to take you along with me as I gather my cool season annual seeds to put away for next year, do a little bit of replacement planting as always, and maybe just show you what I do in the yard during the day. So I am so glad you're here. I hope that you take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It seems like the weather has finally caught up with us. We are in the 90s the last couple of days. We'll have a few more days in the 80s, and then it looks like we will consistently be at 90 and above for the next few weeks, which is about normal for us. And then into July and August, probably moving up into triple digits. So that really changes my gardening. It is really time to make sure that everything I'm going to get planted is planted, because I don't like to plant in the extreme heat. It's almost time to start harvesting some of those vegetables. So I can't wait to share that with you, and I can't wait to start incorporating them into our family meals. That's all the chit chat for today. Let's go ahead and get a few garden tasks done before the heat sets in. As always, I thank you for stopping by. Now let's get to gardening. So today I want to spruce up the rabbit run a little bit. I've shared it with you before. There's Brownie. I have a couple of new plants that I want to pot up and place here, and then I will just do like I do with all of my potted areas. Just add a little bit at a time. Never obviously covering up Sweet Brownie, but just kind of integrating his home into the patio. So let's get to gardening. First plant I'm putting in is Bright Ideas. It's a sweet potato vine. Is purely ornamental. Outstanding color, texture, compact habit, and ideal for containers and beds. Plant in full sun. Now for full sun is kind of subjective to where you live. This will get afternoon shade because I've just found that here that does better. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, it has little purple, delicate purple flowers on it. So I'm really anxious to get this potted up and placed. And then the second plant is is a zinnia, not just a zinnia, because I love zinnias. And this doesn't have the tag, but I believe it's purples and yellows, I think. So I think it's gonna look really nice here. So let me just get these potted up. And it's that easy. Sometimes I think we're tempted to feel like we have to use a lot of different plants in our pots, and in a pot this small, because it is limited on water retention and limited on nutrients, I think one plant is better. So let me get these placed where they need to be placed, and we'll move on to the next task.